Hi everyone, this is our Quarantine Life Edition video of Abstract Expressionism, painting with the kids. Everybody is kind of stuck at home right now, and we decided for our family activity to try doing an Abstract Expressionist painting. So we got a huge canvas. We actually have two. And we started playing around with a lot of the acrylic colors, experimenting with what colors can be created with primary colors and what happens if you add white. We didn't really use a lot of black because we wanted it to kind of look vibrant. We want more color in this day and age because we want to try to bring joy in everybody, because everybody sort of everyone's kind of stuck at home and feels kind of gloomy, so we kind of wanted to bring joy. So our theme for this painting was trying to recreate something that could relate to one of my favorite artists, which is Claude Monet. So first we started adding a lot of color, and I let all three of my kids, they're 6, 4, and 2, they went through my acrylic paints and plastered the whole page. It really didn't take that long. And when they were finished, we went over with some water. We sprayed some water, so we got some dripping effects. And we also used some bubble plastic paper and regular plastic cover, which covered this canvas when we opened it. And we used it to blot around the wet paint. You have to do it when it's wet. And we also used different tools. We used scrapers, we used cleaners, we used, you see the water gun. And a lot of the work that we did was done by our baby. She stomped over the paint, she put paint on her hands, but they had the most exciting time. And they were so happy because they're just so bored at home. They had the funnest time creating this art piece. And we really, really like the outcome of this abstract expressionist. It looks so professional. We added some gold too, and you see the joy on the kids' faces. So I hope everybody can try to keep sane by doing some kind of activity and maybe try this abstract expressionist painting at home. Thanks for watching.